Welcome to the ultimate definition of luxury and power on wheels. This is the BRABUS BIGBOY 1200, the most extravagant, high-performance motorhome ever built. Get ready to experience unmatched comfort, cutting-edge technology, and insane power, all in one rolling masterpiece. At first glance, the BRABUS BIGBOY 1200 demands attention. Its bold, aggressive front grille, aerodynamic design, and massive presence scream dominance on the road. Built on a high-end luxury chassis, it combines elegance with brute strength, and of course, the iconic BRABUS badging tells you this is no ordinary motorhome. And check out these exclusive forged alloy wheels, built for both performance and style. Now, let's talk power. Under the hood, we have a monstrous BRABUS 1200 horsepower engine. Yes, you heard that right, 1200 horsepower in a motorhome. Whether you're cruising on the highway or taking on the toughest terrains, this beast delivers an adrenaline-pumping ride like no other. With a high-performance suspension and precision-tuned aerodynamics, the BIGBOY 1200 ensures a smooth, yet powerful ride, effortlessly blending power with luxury. Step inside, and you're instantly transported into a world of ultimate luxury. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a 5-star suite on wheels. From premium leather upholstery to handcrafted carbon fiber and wood accents, every detail inside the BRABUS BIGBOY 1200 screams perfection. And with state-of-the-art smart technology, you can control everything: lighting, climate, entertainment, all at the touch of a button. Kick back in these luxury recliners, enjoy a movie on the hidden 4K UHD TV, or immerse yourself in the Dolby surround sound system, because road trips should never compromise on entertainment. Need a gourmet meal? This fully equipped chef's kitchen comes with high-end appliances, a built-in espresso machine, and a luxury dining area, so you can eat like royalty, wherever you go. When it's time to rest, the BIGBOY 1200 offers a spacious master bedroom with a king-sized memory foam bed, luxury linens, and panoramic windows for breathtaking views. And check this out, this is no ordinary bathroom. With a marble-finished rainfall shower, heated floors, and designer fittings, you're getting the spa treatment even on the roads. But that's not all. The BRABUS BIGBOY 1200 is packed with cutting-edge technology, including a fully digital cockpit, autonomous driving assist, and a 360-degree security system to keep you safe wherever your journey takes you. So, if you're looking for the ultimate fusion of power, luxury, and innovation, the BRABUS BIGBOY 1200 is in a league of its own. This is more than a motorhome, it's a statement. Are you ready to own the road in style? Hit that like button if you love luxury vehicles. Subscribe for more exclusive content, and let us know in the comments, where would you take the BRABUS BIGBOY 1200 on your dream road trips? This script ensures a cinematic, engaging, and exciting experience for viewers, highlighting every key feature of the BRABUS BIGBOY 1200 while keeping them hooked till the end. Let me know if you want any tweaks.